Well guys, as you can see, not all encounters are pleasant. This time these people did not like the drone filming them, but this is life, so better get used to it. Again, next time if you wanna try to bring us down, bring a shotgun, don't bring ice. So again, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Take care.